In this video, we are going to do a little tour of the image window of ImageJ. The image window provides a bunch of information of your data set, including the zoom factor, the image type, the image size in physical units or pixels, as well as the various data set positions. So let's start our tour by opening the sample image called mitosis. So let's go to Fiji. And we will just search for it in the search bar, so mitosis. And here we have our image window. So this is the classic ImageJ image window. And first of all, we can zoom. So if you use the plus or minus keys, you can zoom in and out of your image. And you can change the location of your zoom by moving the cursor in the window, and it'll zoom in on that area. And you can see the zoom factor listed here above. So right now we're at 200% for this particular image. We also have the image type information. In this case, it's written here. It's a 16-bit image. So the bits refer to the number of possible values that are available for each pixel. Each pixel in your image is a measurement. And we need to decide on a precision for that measurement. So with more precision, it takes up more space. So a 16-bit image is a larger image, for example, when you're saving it than an 8-bit image. So there are 3 types of gray value images that ImageJ uses, which are 8-bit, 16-bit, and then there's a 32-bit floating point. So that refers to real numbers. So 32-bit image is an image made up of real numbers, and it also allows for negative values. So a 32-bit image is good if you're subtracting, for example, one image from another. Otherwise, you'll clip your data set, your numbers at 0. Otherwise. Then we also have the image size information, which is listed right up here above. And this particular image is calibrated, so it's listed in microns. But you also have the pixel values here, so the size in pixels. So this is a quick way to see if your image is calibrated, if it's written here at the top. There are also different positions that we can view in our image. So in the channels, so this is the top layer, we can switch channels, and you'll see the default colors for ImageJ are red and green. So channel 1, which is listed here, we're channel 1 of 2, and you'll see all the text is red and it's highlighted in red. And when we switch to the second channel, 2 of 2, it's now green and highlighted in green. And then we can change our slices in Z, and then this is a movie in time, so we can actually play that and move through that video. So these are where we'll find all of our different data set positions here at the bottom. And that's really just a quick overview of the image window, a couple nice tricks, and gives you a lot of information about your image in general.